Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. It's about that time, temperatures are dropping, and so listen, who wouldn't like to have loaded baked potato soup? Now, I got it, it sounds good, my mouth is watering, talking about it. So I got me a crock pot with a timer on, so it doesn't make a difference what time I put it on. As soon as it goes off, it stays warm up to 6 to 8 hours. You can't beat that. So even if you was putting chicken in here, you ain't got to worry about having no mushy chicken, no mushy meat. Just cook it like it's supposed to in your crock pot recipe, and then it automatically clicks to warm. Hey, but you know what? That's a lot of talking. Let's get right into this video. All right, what you see right here is the ingredients, for this recipe. Off here, I'm gonna show you. Look, we got a 32-ounce bag of Southern hash browns. These are just cubed. You want them to be thawed right off the bat. Right here, I made some crispy bacon. So these are gonna be the bacon bits we're gonna put in. We got some shredded sharp cheddar, Philadelphia cream cheese. This is just the original. This is 8 ounces. Over here we got condensed cream of chicken soup, chicken broth. I'm using 33% less sodium. Then we got fresh ground pepper, kosher salt, and dry rosemary. And then last but not least, gotta show you this. You gotta get these crock pot liners. If you can see, let me get it up close. You can see they got some kind of, look like pulled pork or some kind of maybe shredded chicken or whatever. This makes the cleanup much easier. So let me go ahead and get it all together. And listen, this is one of the great things about this recipe is you just throw it all in the pot, you set it, and that's it. So let's get started. All right, this crock pot right here is very easy to use. You just hit power. We want to cook it on high, and then you have your time up. You can see it goes up in 30-minute increments. We want to go to 3 hours, and then we want to start it. That's it. Well, you saw it. It doesn't get no easier than that. You just throw your ingredients in there. You set your crock pot to high. You go for 3 hours, and then listen, voila. Again, I'm gonna show you right after I get through talking, you know what I mean, just what it looks like. Presentation is outstanding. Hey, as soon as you taste it, as soon as you smell it, you take the lid off of your crock pot, you know, right off the bat, you like, smell just like restaurant. Hey, if you ask me, this got more flavor than the restaurant. So, listen, if you're new to the channel, I want to take this time to say, hey, welcome to my channel. For everybody else, you know what, welcome back. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. And don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Drop a like. If you guys have any suggestions or anything you want to see, just let me know. Outside of that, you know what? I'm out. Peace.